Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Okay, so today I have with me 4 lipsticks from the brand Lakme, and this is the new range Lakme Cushion Matte Lipsticks. If you directly want to see the demo of these 4, you can click on this timestamp or you can watch me talking. Yeah. Okay, so I have with me 4 shades, and this range has 20 shades, and the shades are really good and very nice and creamy. And as they say that this is cushion matte, so matte lipsticks generally are a little uncomfortable to wear for a longer period of time, but as they claim to be cushiony soft, so these lipsticks will be comfortable and easy to wear. Yeah. So this one lipstick retails for 275 rupees, so price wise I think this is quite economical. And Lakme is a huge brand, and this brand doesn't need any kind of an introduction. They have a good makeup range, and they also have skincare range which is equally good, so I have nothing bad to say about the brand. But yes, let's see how these lipsticks fare, because I'll be giving you an honest review. If this is good, I'll let you know. If not, I'll let you know. Yeah, the packaging is really very nice and cute, and the name of the shade, the number and name of the shade is mentioned on the carton. You can see quantity wise this is 4.5 grams in quantity, and also they say that this has rose oil from France. Wow. Okay, I am excited to try this. The 4 shades which I have, these shades will suit every complexion, whether you're fair, dusky or beatish. These shades will suit you, and let's try on these shades and see how this looks. The first one is the Red Orchid, and this is a beautiful shade. Yeah. So this is how the packaging is from inside. The cap of this is a little translucent. It's not fully opaque. It's a little translucent, and packaging wise this is very nice and cute and sturdy kind of a packaging. I like the packaging. Okay, and this is the quantity. And the name of the shade, as I told you, is Red Orchid, and this is CR4. Yeah. So let's try this. Let's see how cushiony is this. This is really good. This actually glides. Alright. This is a beautiful shade. I think you can see. And this is how the shade looks like. This is so comfortable and creamy. They are really right. I mean, regarding the rose oil thing, I think this is true. This is very comfortable. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it a lot. Yeah. So let's try the other 3 quickly, shall we? Yeah. So the second shade is Orange Blossom, and this is C02. Beautiful rusty orange. Okay, so this is the third shade, and this is Pink Rose, and this is CP5. I tore off the packaging a little bit. Okay, so this is the third shade, and okay, so this is a beautiful dusty rose kind of a shade. Yeah, so let's try. Hmm. Very basic and a simple kind of a lip shade which you can wear every day. This is looking good. This is the fourth shade, and this is C01, and this is Orange Rush. The earlier one was Orange Blossom, and that was a little rusty in color. This is like a perky orange, and yeah. You know, these kind of shades really uplift your mood. Like if you are feeling a little low or depressed, you can wear an orange or a red lipstick. It will instantly perk up your mood. Like this. seen the YouTubers is watching 10 to 15 lipsticks in one video. Really hats off to them. Because in these 4 lipsticks only, I feel that my lips are about to fall off. Like, hats off. Okay, so this is the fourth shade. Just as expected, a very beautiful perky orange, and yeah. So in conclusion, I would like to say that these lipsticks are awesome. You need to buy this. This is just for 275 rupees. The price wise, this is very nominal, and these are very creamy. The staying power of this I'll mention in the description box. I'll see how long this stays on the lips, and I'll update it. And this is so comfortable to wear, and the fragrance is a little like a caramel, like a typical Lakme lipstick fragrance. Lakme lipsticks have a nice caramel kind of fragrance, so fragrance is like that, and it's extremely comfortable, and the color is quite pigmented. As you can see, this is a buildable color. The more you will keep stroking, the color will get more intense, so that is also good. And I would really ask you to buy this. I'll put these shades in the description box just in case you want to purchase any of these shades. You can purchase. So yeah, do give this a try. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.